Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how we make a side view car sketch, which is a one-point perspective following the right rules, okay? So, let's dive in. Okay, so when we make a side view, very often you see us designers to make our wheels, then put a nice line there, another one here, then we put those sort of inclinated lines next to the wheels, and two small triangles, one in the front and one in the back, okay? Then you also see that we put this line here that is going a little bit in diagonal, okay? And then on top of this, we make our, our silhouette, okay? All right, so now let's explain a little bit this. Let's put the first line, which is the most important one, and this is our ground line, okay? This is the ground line, okay? All right, this one. Then we make our wheels, okay? We make them freehand, all right? This is the center of our wheels, okay? We can just make very simple light lines, okay? And the first thing you have to remember is that the rocker panel line, it's always a little bit lower than your center line. Not too much, but a little bit. And in general, that's where I put it, okay? Here, you see? This is the limit of your car, the end of your car, okay? Now, as you remember, we put several lines when we make our shadow. So I will add another line, which is this one, all right? And this thickness here, it's exactly the base of our car, the underplaying of our car in one-point perspective, because the one-point perspective is there, you see? So when I go from here to there, you see, we have those diagonal lines, okay? Now, let's make the shadow of the whole car onto the ground, okay, which is in perspective. And then in that case, there you go, we have another new line, it's here, and this one will move a little bit higher there, simply because it is in perspective, okay? It is in perspective. And then the other thing we have to do in perspective is the wheels that are on the other side of the car that will converge toward the center a little bit because of the perspective feeling and effect. So if I have my wheel here in front, in the other side, the wheel will be there because of perspective. You see? And that's why we have those lines here. You see? Now, why do we put those triangles on the left and on the right? This is the shadow of the front overhang and the back overhang. And because it is short, it's kind of fading. So it goes from this line in the back, you see? And it continues. Same thing here. On the same line, it continues like that. Okay? So now I would like to show you how this will be. And let's make this black. Now, on top of this, of course, we can sketch the car we want. So we have seen how to make a side view respecting really simple rules, but which are the right ones for one-point perspective. But that was just a quick sketch. That was just a technical, more or less a technical tutorial. Now let's go and check together few nice samples, really well done. Did you like those samples? Well, those are really nice sketches that show you the one-point perspective inside view with a very nice cast shadow, very nice wheels put in the back to get that depth feeling that we really love when we make our side sketches. Now, if you like this video, put your like. If you did not subscribe yet to this channel, please do just hit the tabs and subscribe. And if you're looking for a very nice ebook about how to draw cars step by step, then just look the link in the description and check my ebook, which is really convenient to buy. Thank you.